So first thing to notice is that we're taking the derivative of an integral. So that means we're using the fundamental theorem of calculus. Fundamental theorem relates those two concepts together. So for the fundamental theorem to work, we need the structure of a number to a variable, which we do have in this problem. So then we focus in on the integrand. And this integrand, we are going to replace the upper bound of sine. We're going to replace, the variable of integration with this upper bound of sine. So this is going to become equals. Now remember, when we do this replacement, all of this other notation about derivatives, integrals, that's out of there now. And now all we have is the integrand, but instead of having t, we'll have the upper bound. Okay? And then we multiply that by the derivative of the upper bound. So the derivative of sine is just going to be our cosine x. All right, where can we go from here? You can simplify this because this is the same thing. This 1 minus sine squared is the same thing as cosine squared x times cosine x. And hopefully you remember, like when we take the square root of x squared, that gives us the absolute value of x. So here, if I take the square root of cosine squared, that's going to give us the absolute value of cosine times cosine x. And so that is our final answer in its most simplified form.